After installing the machine, including the fuel lines and water circuit, do not immediately start the machine. This can easily lead to startup failure or smoke emission. The first critical step is to press and hold the first button. Quickly draw fuel from the tank until all air is purged from the fuel hose and the fuel hose is filled with fuel, until oil flows out of the outlet. Then connect the fuel hose to the machine. Next, I will briefly introduce the functions of this LCD display. Press and hold the first button to activate rapid oil pumping. Releasing the button stops this process. This is primarily to bleed excess air from the fuel hose. The second button activates the fuel-saving mode. This can also shut down the machine. When the weather is not particularly cold, using this button to start the system can reduce fuel consumption by 45%. Additionally, it features an automatic carbon deposit cleaning function. Simply operate the unit for 30 to 60 minutes to completely burn off accumulated carbon deposits. A capability unmatched by any competing product on the market today, exclusively available in our system. The third button activates auto mode. Simply press this button to start the unit in cold weather conditions, down to -10 degrees Celsius, -20 degrees Celsius, or lower. This is the gear adjustment button. When we turn it on, gear adjustments are ineffective during the first 6 minutes, while the machine automatically regulates temperature. After 6 minutes, it will automatically revert to the currently selected gear's power level. Moreover, our heater integrates the instruction manual directly into the LCD display, providing direct troubleshooting guidance without requiring error code cross-referencing. For example, if we unplug the motor, the system will immediately display a motor trouble alert and provide step-by-step troubleshooting guidance. By following the troubleshooting steps listed on the display one by one, you can address the problem. Similarly, for issues like temperature sensor malfunction, motor failure, or low fuel, the system proactively initiates real-time diagnostics with step-by-step troubleshooting guidance. This feature is unprecedented in the diesel heater industry. We've directly integrated the instruction manual into the LCD display for at-a-glance comprehension. Next, let me introduce water heating process. We turn on the machine. This is our water heating on-off button. Turn this on. When the water heating system is activated, the water pump does not engage immediately. It will automatically activate once the display shows the temperature reaching 90 degrees Celsius. Of course, this can also be turned off. If the aluminum body temperature exceeds 120 degrees Celsius, for instance, reaching 150 degrees Celsius, and then activate the water heating, the aluminum body will first automatically dissipate heat until the temperature drops to about 90 to 120 degrees Celsius before the water pump automatically turns on. This design is implemented to prevent thermal expansion and contraction. Now introducing our water heating modes. We have 4 different working modes. Turn on the setting button. Keep pressing until reaching the bottom section. Then, we can select a working mode by turning the button. Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3, Mode 4. In Mode 1, it primarily uses time-based units. For instance, if 3 is displayed here, it indicates 3 hours of operation. To set 1 hour, change it to 1. Then press and hold the setup button to confirm. However, this mode does not recognize water temperature during water heating. When setting Mode 2, you can configure the maximum and minimum water temperatures. When water temperature reaches the set maximum, heater power reduces. When it falls below your set minimum, heater power increases. This maintains constant temperature within your configured range. This is Mode 2. Now introducing Mode 3 functionality. This mode operates the heater specifically for summer use. Seal off the heater's warm air vents, then set a maximum temperature. The system only monitors the maximum temperature, ignoring the minimum. When water temperature reaches the set maximum, our machine ceases operation. This mode is designed exclusively for domestic water heating. Now introducing Mode 4 functionality. This mode monitors both maximum and minimum temperatures. When water temperature reaches the set maximum, the water pump deactivates and power reduces. When temperature falls below your configured minimum, the pump activates and heater power increases. This maintains constant water temperature within your preset range. After introducing modes 1 through 4, we now address the third row parameters, yes and no. Yes and no apply exclusively to mode 1. When preheating a 24 volts engine, your water pump won't engage if voltage exceeds 26.9 volts. When preheating a 12 volts engine, your water pump won't engage if voltage exceeds 12.9 volts. Here, we must pay attention that when using the machine to preheat a vehicle engine, we need to make sure our water pump is protected. This is because when our engine is started, we have an original water pump inside the engine. This prevents conflicts between the vehicle engine's original water pump and the machine's water pump, protecting both systems. Selecting yes protects your water pump. Selecting no does not protect the water pump. This enables pump activation regardless of voltage. If modes 1, 2, 3, and 4 are not used for engine preheating, you must select no to avoid high voltage preventing the water pump from turning on. Next, I'll explain how to pair our bidirectional remote with the control switch. Press and hold the first button while simultaneously sliding the side switch upward. The screen will display pairing codes 59 and 51. Press the Set button to select the displayed code. Press down to the 5th parameter row. Modify the number to 59 and 51. Finalize the settings by long pressing the Set button. Now let's test. Power on. Shut down. Power on. Adjust power level. Engage water heating. Shut down heating. Our remote features an integrated rechargeable lithium battery. Finally, I wish you all success in your endeavors and happiness in every aspect of life. Thank you.